Did you know that if you put coffee in a cup, add a spoonful of honey and then squeeze the juice of a lime? This will be more effective than cortisone. If you consume this mixture, you can reduce the symptoms of asthma, arthritis, eliminate respiratory infections, and the symptoms of inflammation. Start your day with this Japanese remedy and watch how your body transforms. For this, add 3 tablespoons of oats to a glass of water. Squeeze a lime, let it rest for 30 minutes, and drink it in the morning. This helps reduce high cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, deflate the abdomen, eliminate toxins from the body, and much more. Did you know that if you put a lime on the fire, remove it when it is hot. Extract its juice into a container, along with a spoonful of honey and a pinch of salt. You will have prepared the best remedy for tonsillitis, sore throat, and toothache. Now, can you tell me which of these tips you liked the most? See you soon. At what age did you discover that if you put apple peels in a jar with a lid, add a spoonful of sugar, and then fill it up with filtered water, you can make completely homemade apple cider vinegar? That's right. After adding everything, mix it very well, then cover the container and leave it in a place protected from light. Let the mixture ferment for a full 15 days. During this time, you will notice the formation of bubbles, but the fermentation will not be complete yet. So, leave it for another 10 days until the entire process is finished. After this time, strain the mixture using a fine sieve, removing the peels that are no longer needed. And the result will be a totally natural apple cider vinegar, ready for consumption. Now you have your homemade vinegar, made with your own hands. It's amazing how something so simple that would have been thrown away can turn into such a delicious and healthy product. Did you already know this?